Ready? Go. Leo figured out how to move his eyebrows. Ready? Do it again. Yeah! Can you do it one more time? Do your eyebrows. Yeah! Good job! Did you see that, Daddy?
I did.
Do your eyebrows for Daddy. Yeah! Good job! That was funny. One more time? You chicken. You little goober. Okay. Say eyebrows. Say eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Now do your eyebrows. Yeah. Don't lick. Oh, yuck. Yuck. Here, do your eyebrows. Do your eyebrows. Are you doing them? Yeah. Look at the camera and say eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
Now do your eyebrows. Yeah. Oh, and your tongue. Gross.